Hi guys, welcome back to Coding with Kieran. Today we're going to be doing part 1 of 2 of Pong on Scratch. Don't worry, part 2 is up now, so you can go and check that out after this video. Today we're going to be coding the paddle and the ball movement. The collision also the collision between the paddle and the ball. Okay, I'm going to give you a quick preview of what it's going to look like at the very end of both parts. So as you can see, we've got a score and a high score all set up there. Going to see what happens when it touches the red line. We've got the Pong, retry, and when we click on retry, it just resets the game for us, our score, and everything still works just as it should. Alright, let's jump right into coding that today. Now that we have our fresh, clean piece to code on, I'm just going to go to here, choose a sprite. I'm going to grab ball. Also, going to grab line. Just going to take a second to find that. We're going to grab paddle here. And then we're going to go back in and grab line. There we go. So that's us now got our 3 primary sprites. I'm just going to set the line up down at the bottom as the barrier. I'm going to set up the paddle just above the barrier, and then I'm going to set up the ball at the top centre of our screen. Then going to just go and search for a background. I'm going to use the neon tunnel background. You can use whatever you want for this. So that's us set up with our sprites. Now we're going to start using the ball. So all we're going to do for that is we're going to go into events, say when I receive, grab a new message, and we're just going to say start. This is just so that each and every time the player hits the retry button, it fully resets it using the when I receive start function. We're now going to go into motion. We're going to grab go to, and we're going to place it underneath our start. We're then going to grab a point in direction. We're going to say 45 degrees here. We're going to say forever from control. We're going to go back into motion. We're going to say if on edge bounce. So this is basically going to allow it to have its bouncing effect when it hits any of the edges of the walls. So we're going to say that, and then we're going to say move 15 steps as well. So this is just for the movement side of things. So this is going to keep it continuously moving and is going to bounce off of any edges that it hits along the way. We're going to go back into events. Going to grab another when I receive start. We're then going to say forever in control. If, going to sensing, touching, we're just going to go and do the barrier. So this is basically just us going to code what's going to happen when the player inevitably loses. So we're just going to say go into events, we're going to say broadcast, but we're going to say a new message, which is retry. And this is basically just going to set us up for part 2 quite nicely, which is going to have the addition of the scores and the menu when you lose. So we're then going to say stop other scripts in this sprite from control. We're also going to say stop this script down here. We're then going to grab a when flag clicked. So this is key to making sure this part that the game actually runs as it should. Alright, we're now going to grab another when I receive start. We're going to go into control, say forever, if, go into sensing, say touching, paddle. We're then going to say turn in from motion. Grab that, place that in there. Oh man, sorry, my computer's been a bit glitchy today. And then we're going to say, go into operators, grab a pick random. Going to say random between 160 to 200 degrees, just here. And we're going to say move 15 steps, just to give it that kicking movement. Just going to grab that and place it under our turn block. Set that to 15. You can have the addition of playing a sound, so pop, boing, whatever you fancy as your sound. I'm not going to do that today, but obviously you could add that in just underneath here. That's us going to be today for our ball movement. We're now going to move on to our paddle movement. Okay, so now that we're in our paddle, we're just going to say, grab another when I receive start message, and we're going to say forever in control. We're going to say, scroll down here, set X to mouse X, which I believe is in sensing, yeah. So we're going to grab that and place it inside of the set X2 block. This is basically going to allow it, as you saw in the start, to when I move my mouse across the screen, the paddle is going to move with me. We're also going to say, go back into events, going to say when I receive retry. We're going to stop other scripts in the sprite for the time being. Okay, that is going to be us for part 1 today. Part 2 is up on my channel right now if you want to go and check that out, but before you do that, I'm going to give you a quick preview of where we're at with this game. So obviously everything stops at this point, but nothing yet is going to happen with the menu. So, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss a video, turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Without further ado, bye.